Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to the my on next video. This is the HTML multimedia. Multimedia on the web is sound, music, videos, and movies and animations. HTML multimedia means it's a combination of sound, music, and videos and movies and animations. By using the HTML multimedia, we can play the music and videos. So basically, what is the multimedia? Multimedia comes in a many different formats. It can be almost anything you can hear or see, like images, music, sound, videos, records, films, animation, and more. So and multimedia means we can visualize the some content or videos and music and animations, right? So that is a multimedia is a combination of images, music, sound, and videos. So let's go to the in our HTML. Few things is there. First one is audio. Audio we can use to you can play the audio, and another one is HTML video. HTML video tag, by using this we can play the video. Here if you create the one video, then we can choose the HTML video tag. First of all, this is defines a video or movie, and in within the video tag we have source tag. Another, the source tag used to define the multimedia resource for media elements such as video, audio, like that. So track is used to define the text track in a media players. So this is the video tag, and another one is HTML audio. The HTML audio element is used to play the audio file on the web page. For example, here I given a source file code, audio tag controls and source tag src. Some I given some audio path, type audio slash the file format ogg, source src ors .mp3, type audio slash mpeg I given here. So your right side are output like this: play button, some duration of the audio, and mic, the play button, right? So this is the audio concept, and audio tag have tag name and description here I given. The in HTML we have audio tag. This is used to define the content of the sound of the audio, and another one is inside the audio we have to choose the source. The source is used to define the multimedia resource for media elements such as video and audio. So this is the concept of multimedia in HTML, audio and video tags. Let's go to the in our my notepad. I will explain to you real time explain. The first one is audio element. Audio element used to play the some sound audio file. Yeah, I define here one audio tag. Controls means play and play button purpose. Source is choose to uh, path of the file, resource file purpose. Type audio and mpeg. Now let's go to this file. I open my local file. Here I define my audio web page. When I double click on it, it will open in browser. I choose here Chrome browser now. Yeah, this is my audio file. When I click on a play button, it will be play. So this is the concept of the audio. When I click on here, it will be started. So if you have any doubt, please right click on here on that element and inspect. We can select, then it will be some debug tool is display. Then easy to understand what is the our HTML source code. What did you write in our notepad? Yeah, this is our audio HTML element. Controls means the display button purpose you are choosing. and source. This tag is used to source file purpose. That local file path I given here, my local file path, and type audio and mpeg I given here. So this is the concept of the audio, and let's go to the another example for video. Yeah, yeah, this is my video web page. Here I create the one video by using HTML video tag, width 400 and controls I given. This is the attribute of the video. And source, if you want multiple sources play in at a time, then you can choose source multiple times here, line by line. I given one mp4 file and .ogg file. The file type video mp4 and video slash ogg. So these two files will be open in my browser and I play it. So before that I open this file in my local system. Then here I created my video web page, and please double click on it here, then it will be open in my browser. Yeah, this is the video, my source file. Yeah, may I click on here play button, then it will be playing like this. So this is the video concept in HTML. If you have any doubt, please right click on here, then we can debugging on the video. Sometimes is my system's problem, two times it will be get in debugging tool. Yeah, now I getting my source code in web browser. Yeah, this is my video tag and width 400 and controls. Source file mp4 and another one is ogg file. Yeah, this is my file. Yeah, this is my file video. So I hope guys you are understood this concept of the multimedia. And one more example I give the here, YouTube video. This YouTube video I choose here iframe, and I given width 648 to 360 and YouTube file path, web URL path, and iframe border and allow and autoplay. This is the properties of the YouTube frame. And yeah, let's go to the open my local system. And yeah, this is my YouTube page. When I click on here, it will be open my local browser and executed. Yeah, my YouTube video path I given here. Just I click on play button, then YouTube video.
Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to the
Playing in my uh, web page. So this is a very simple example for iframe in a HTML multimedia. So this is the three concept of the HTML multimedia: audio, video, and iframe concept, and the YouTube video example. So I hope guys you are understood the HTML multimedia on audio, video, and YouTube video plus iframe concept. So please practice on it. And if you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe the channel, and please click on the bell icon for next new video notification you will get. Thank you.